god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Finally here. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning back into another video. We got a good one today. We have a good sized box from Lethal Performance. I'll give you a look right there what it is. Been waiting on this damn thing for shit, a month already. It was on back order whenever I ordered it and I didn't know what it was. Car's a little dirty, but we're gonna go ahead and get this damn thing installed. Let's go ahead and open it up and check her out. Now, I went with the PMAS because I know they do a whole lot of good for the Mustangs, just because of like tube design. That's sweet. Huge tube. Look at that. Jesus. But because of the tube design, I know they give real good results to the Mustangs. And so, you know, I was on Lethal Performance. Shout out, it's just a 6. Use his discount code. But I was on Lethal Performance looking for an intake, and I was fixing to go Rotofab, but I did not. I found this for a damn good price, a lot less than Rotofab and cold air inductions, you know, the more popular ones for Camaros. So I said, hey, let's get it. Go ahead and bump this, so excuse the mess. I know it's a little dirty, but I work outside. It's my daily for now, so that's why it's dirty. Oh, look at that. Inside 32, no surprise there. Rest of the car is damn dirty. I promise once I get this thing taken out, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse all that shit off. Don't even worry about it. But we'll go ahead and install this thing together. This should be a first for me as far as LS. But I mean, most intake installs are relatively the same. Just pull it off here. Pull this sensor out. Pull it out. Pull the box out. Now I already pulled this out once whenever I installed the headers. Look at that thing. Shout out Speed Engineering. But I already pulled this out once, and it's just these two little nuts. You should pop right out. But yeah, let's get started. God bless America. Look at this freaking thing. That is unbelievably huge. Wow. I'm seriously impressed. That is freaking crazy. Shout out PMAS for sure. We got a little stick, you know we gotta represent. Already got Speed Engineering up there. That was on there from the previous owner. I don't have no damn system in here, I promise. But yeah. Right there maybe. I like it if y'all like it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are official. Yes. Alright, so we're gonna go through this together. Right here. Just pop that off, and I believe this was a 8mm bolt last time I did it. Or a nut, I'm sorry, because these studs don't move. But the nut, these two nuts. And then loosen this clamp, and you can just pop the whole box out. It just pops right down in there in the fender, and then you got this little inlet tube. I believe we'll undo that, and pull this out. Pull this out right there, and then undo here, and the whole thing comes, and the elbow comes out. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll come get you when it's off. Okay, so the elbow's out, studs or nuts are off. Now this guy, just pull these washers off before I lose them. Maybe. Oh, come on now, don't do this to me on camera. Okay. Okay. Now, can let you know. This motherfucker, I guess, pull you out. Yeah, pull you out. Got it. There she is. Just that little bastard right there. Now, put the elbow on and go from there. Okay, so I'm assuming this goes here. I don't know what we're gonna put in there. Maybe it's in that box, and then maybe just a little nut go back on there. But guys, this fucking thing is huge. It doesn't even fit. Look at that. So, oh, maybe. Well, I'll fight with that a little bit, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so got the big ass elbow on. It's hitting just about everywhere. It's not tight, it's still loose. I can roll it. Tighten this one up, tighten this one up. Don't need those moving. Maybe I need to look at the instructions, but I don't know what the hell goes back here. Hopefully nothing. I don't have anything. I think that goes in there. I don't know. I need my air filter. I'm sure it goes right here. But yeah, we'll get into it. I guess let me pop open this box and see what we got in there. Alright, so this guy came in here, and I believe it goes in there. Let's try that. Okay, so it didn't work like I was expecting. Didn't really fit in that hole too well. So I'm gonna open that box and see what else we have in there. I think this is for this, so I don't throw a code. This is the no tune required intake, I believe. Cool. Plug this in here. And look at that. Look for shit and you find it. Yeah, we got a little inlet slides in here, and then supplied two little nuts in there, or bolts, I'm sorry, to run up in there. So let's do that. All right, got the little bastard in. Damn, Allen heads were a little tricky. Only one I had was all rusted out and used up and shit, but got it in. Go ahead and stick it back in the elbow. I guess clamp it down, or maybe wait till I get my filter on. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, third time's the charm. Finally gonna open the box. Got big ass air filter, blue. Okay, is that all we got in here? Yep. Okay, so maybe that little rivet is for holding the damn heat shield down. I guess play with that some and see what the hell we're supposed to do with that. I guess this is a dry filter. There's no oil on it, which is pretty cool. But yeah, you got these 3 screws on here, and then you have 3 holes in here. So you put the, I can do this in one hand. You put the 3 holes, 3 screws in the 3 holes, just like so. And then right here, you got 3 little nuts for the 3 screws. So go ahead and pop these on, tighten down, and be ready to stab the intake, air filter on. Okay, so finished product. It looks sick. This thing is fucking huge. Excuse my language, but it's hitting my damn coolant hose. It's hitting my other coolant hose over here, forcing it down. Scuffed it up. This little clamp. Probably should have moved it, but I didn't. Only thing is this line right here. From out of the box, it came with this in it like that. Now this doesn't reach over there, and this doesn't look like it would connect to anything in here. So I just pulled this out and then forced this inside the hose. And it's connected down in there. You can see even the coolant line right here is, it's pretty tight. But I mean, this thing is freaking huge. Everything's tightened up. I haven't started it yet, just because I wanted to share the first start with you guys. Only thing too, for these long ass bolts, they make a hole for the intake to go through. And if you can see right there, got the MAF plugged in. But yeah, that hole is for your screw. Make sure you rotate your filter right, and it'll fit in there. It's gonna be a tight fit. It's rubbing down in there, but it fits. That rivet, it's pretty loose still, but I mean, I don't know really what else to do with that. Just tighten that little nut down right there, and so yeah, let's give it a start. Okay, that sounds freaking insane. You can hear it from inside the car, even over the damn exhaust. I hope this is fine. I mean, it went in pretty damn tight. This right here, I had to force it on pretty good, but shit, man, that thing looks sick. I'm really ready to go let it rip one time. But yep, and there we go. quick install. The PMAS air intake. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. Got some new shoes coming for a girl. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching.